What up, guys? Before we get into this video, before we get into the vlog, I gotta go for a run. Quick and easy 5 miles, 7:32 pace. I needed an easier day today after the last few days have been really jam-packed. Workouts, finals, whew, but that's all done. It's winter break. But before I can get on an airplane, I need to shower. Alright, I feel fresh, like brand new. We're supposed to be leaving this place in about 3 minutes. I don't think we will be, but that's okay. Our flight isn't till like 2 or something like that. Very excited. Boarding in 10 minutes, getting very excited. There's not actually a watch on this wrist, it's on this one, but I just thought this was better for the effect. Landed successfully in Fort Lauderdale, trying to hitch a ride on an Uber, and then we've got about a 1-hour drive to It's about an hour. About a 1-hour drive from Fort Lauderdale to Miami, because that's where the cruise leaves tomorrow. In case you haven't picked up on it already, that's why we're here. We're going on to a cruise ship. I know, it's a real classic, but get excited. Welcome to the vlog. Today is day 2. We're here, we're in Florida. Today is the day we are getting onto the boat. Get hyped. We're going on to the Norwegian Bliss, which is the newest and biggest of the Norwegian boats. Alright, let's hit the road. It's blueberry. Thumbnail. Blueberry scones at breakfast. That's the boat. There it is. It's humongous. It's the biggest boat I've ever been on. And you know we do a lot of cruise ships on this channel, so this thing's pretty huge. We're boarding. We just got a good lunch from the buffet. Delicious, of course. Now we're just at the pool. I gotta digest my food, but then I'm heading to the fitness center because I gotta run. We just got an alert that our room has opened up, so we're heading down there. We're gonna go check it out. I just went for a quick swim. It was pretty fun. We found our stateroom. It's been a few hours since I last talked to you guys. We're heading up to the sail away party that they're having on the top deck by the pool. Very exciting. And while we're at it, we might as well take a nice tour of this big, bright, beautiful boat that is the Norwegian Bliss. It is day 2 of this vacation. As you can probably hear and as you will see see in a minute. We are moving. The boat left yesterday after the sail away party. It is currently 10:31. I've gotten breakfast at the buffet, and then we are going go-karting, which is like the thing to do here on the Bliss. And finally, before lunch, I'm gonna go for a nice 7-mile run.
The only problem is it's a low of 51 and a high of 7.
We're up here on this mountain, and we're going to be ziplining off each of the individual mountains here on St. Thomas until at the end we land on the ground. Look how high up we are right now. The bottom is all the way down there. If you're afraid of heights, this is not the place to go.